Hey there! This video is all about saving you time and clicks by exploring some cool Windows shortcuts you might not have heard of before. So first up, we've got Windows plus D, which is like your secret weapon to quickly show and hide the desktop. It's handy when your boss or teacher turns up behind you while you're slacking. Then there's Windows plus comma, which gives you a sneak peek at the desktop while you hold down the Windows key. Now, did you know that Windows plus V is your ticket to the clipboard history? You can paste stuff you copied before, and it remembers up to 25 items. Want to add some emojis? Just hit Windows plus period. Zooming in or out is a breeze with Windows plus and Windows minus. Perfect for presentations and getting into the nitty-gritty details. And when you're browsing the web, forget reaching for the mouse. Just press Ctrl plus K to jump to the URL bar. Closed a tab by mistake. Don't sweat it. Ctrl plus Shift plus T will magically bring it back. Windows plus Tab opens Task View, where you can see all your open apps like a pro. Feeling like locking your screen but keeping everything running? Windows plus L is your friend. If you're ready to call it a day, use Windows plus X followed by 2 U's to shut down your computer. To take screenshots, use Windows plus Shift plus S. The screenshot will be saved on the clipboard and you can paste it. To make screen recordings, use Windows plus Alt plus R. To save or access these recordings or screenshots, press Windows plus G. These lesser-known shortcuts are your productivity pals, making Windows a breeze to use. Feel free to share this video with friends who could use these tricks too. Hope you found it helpful, and stay tuned and follow for more tips.